Are you looking for the best investment earning platforms to grow your money? This video is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only, and I'm going to tell you something while I'm driving over here. If you're ready to start investing, you might be wondering where to begin. And with so many platforms out there, it can feel overwhelming to choose the right one. But don't worry, we got you covered on the top platforms that can really help you to grow your wealth, all right? So I'm going to give you 5 of them. In this video, we're going to dive into some of the best investment earning platforms that are perfect for beginners and experienced investors alike. So basically, here are 5 great platforms to check out. First one is Robinhood. Robinhood allows you to invest in stocks, ETFs, and even cryptocurrency with no fees. The second one is called Acorns. Acorns automatically invests your spare change from everyday purchases into diversified portfolios, which is insane. Betterment is an automated platform that helps you invest with little effort and low fees. That's the third one. You got Stash, which makes investing easy with small, affordable amounts and educational tools to guide you. And there's also Wealthfront, which offers automated low-fee investing with a focus on long-term growth. Now, each of these platforms makes it very simple to start investing and earning, no matter what your experience level is. But don't wait. Compound interest, it grows fast at the more you go. And if you like these recommendations, leave me a like. I love you.